Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
Logic ERP comes with an amazing feature, with the help of which the debit note or purchase return of rejection and replacement is automatically generated. Let's have a glimpse of this feature. Let us first enter a purchase voucher. Let us now enter the rejection and replacement of the purchase voucher. Simply click on Rejection Replacement Document against Purchase. Select the purchase voucher from here, for which you want to enter rejection and replacement. Simply select the item for which you want to enter rejection, shortage and replacement. And enter the rejection, replacement, and shortage quantity of the respective item here. Rejection and replacement has been entered against the respective purchase voucher. Let us now make purchase return of rejected and shortage goods. Just click on Rejection and Replacement from here. And retrieve the rejections and shortages from here. Here you can observe that all the rejections and shortages have been retrieved in just one click. In the same way, you can also make a purchase return for replacement. Simply go to the option of Purchase Return Replacements. Now, click on Replacement from here to retrieve the replacements. And under this, click on Replacements Purchase. Here you can see how easily the purchase return of replacement has been created. The next step is to retrieve the replacement in the purchase return. Now, click on the Rejection and Replacement button here. And click on Retrieve Replacement from the drop-down list. The purchase return of the replacement has been successfully generated.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.